In 2026, we've become accustomed to a particular pattern in consumer technology. Components that feel insubstantial, features designed for fleeting novelty, and an underlying sense of planned obsolescence baked into the very silicon. We're in an era where most devices are simply landfill waiting to happen. But every now and then, a piece of hardware emerges that simply bucks that trend, offering a defiance to the disposable culture. That's precisely what we're looking at today with the Klipsch R-5650-W in-wall speaker. This isn't a casual purchase, it's a strategic investment in your acoustic environment, designed for those who understand that friction, even subtle auditory friction, is an efficiency leak. Consider the 1-inch titanium dome compression driver, meticulously mated to its 4-inch square Tractrix Horn. This isn't just a specification, it's a promise of controlled, precise sound dispersion. This horn-loaded technology dramatically increases acoustic output while profoundly reducing distortion. What does that mean for you? It means fewer minutes spent adjusting volume, fewer micro-frustrations, fighting muddy sound, fewer moments where your concentration is pulled away from the task at hand. Over a year, those dozens of saved minutes, those countless avoided irritations, compound into hours of reclaimed focus, effectively buying back your morning. Then there's the 6.5-inch Cerametallic Woofer. This isn't a lightweight paper cone. This is a physically dense, industrial-grade component engineered for zero-flex performance. You feel the heft, the inherent stability, the moment you interact with it. The material science alone ensures bass response that is both powerful and articulate, without the muddy resonance common in lesser units. This kind of physical density translates directly to thermal dissipation, ensuring sustained, unthrottled performance during even the longest conference calls or creative sessions. This speaker is not just reproducing sound, it's providing a stable, unwavering sonic foundation for your professional life. One might argue that its substantial build, its sheer physical presence, makes installation slightly more involved than some flimsier alternatives. It demands a precise cut, a confident hand, and a respect for its integration into your structure. This isn't a speaker you just plop on the shelf, but that commitment, that slightly higher initial investment of effort, is precisely its strategic strength. It lacks the flashy RGB lighting or app-based trivialities of consumer-grade units, because its focus is singular, uncompromising audio fidelity and stability. The pivoting Tractrix Horn tweeter offers further strategic advantage, allowing you to direct sound precisely where it's needed. This isn't about guesswork, it's about precision. Coupled with the treble and mid-bass attenuation switches, you gain granular control over your soundstage, ensuring your environment is acoustically optimized without needing external equalizers or complex sound engineering. It's an elegant solution to an often overlooked source of cognitive drag. Given the 2026 global supply chain dynamics and regional stock volatility, securing these units often requires a strategic check on the market pulse. This isn't the sort of product that sits idly in large inventories. Its demand, driven by professionals seeking genuine quality and enduring performance, keeps it moving. I put the link below, so you can check the current 2026 price and stocks.